So here we are going to developing a final project or using the Bootstrap. That is just a landing page in which on which I want to sell my say what I can say a app on say Google Store and App Store. So how we can do that? First of all, we need to have a uh, beautiful navbar for this. So here we have to go to the Bootstrap, then here we just uh, widgets over there and select the navbar from here, a beautiful navbar like this way. So I'm just going to copy it from here and paste here. Here we go, paste it. Okay, now to paste it, save the changes, and here we see and refresh it. Now if we maximize this, we see there like we need to have here is a what we can say the logo. In place of logo I want to have my logo as text, simple text, say my app. And here I'll need home, and one more link I had over here, say about, and then I would like to have one link over there as say download app. Okay, and in the same on the neighbor I want to have a login form that is consisting of email and password, then a button having login button. So how we can do that? Let's see, we just make some changes over there. So for this we have nav class, nav this have I want my app as a logo, then toggle button is okay, and then here is a home. In place of link I want about, and then this, then class never toggle, then so I don't want here to be dropped down, so I'm just removing this section here, as I don't want drop down menu for me. So here is a list class nav item and class in nav link. I don't want it to be disabled, so I just want it nav link only. So here I'm removing this. I'm giving I'm also removing all this. I'm just making it as like of that above. Then here I just want download app. So save the changes, and here we go, refresh it. Look at how it looks. Yeah, home there, about there, download the app, three links I would like to set. And here I want a form in which we are having two input, that is one is email and then the second one is the password. And I just want to do this button not as the search, that this button has to be login. So how we can do that? See, the form in line my2 lg0. Okay, so input type have form control and serious type search. So I'm in place of search I'm going to make it as type email, and I'm just keeping the placeholder for this, say email. And even this for visual impaired people, so here even I'm putting it as email. Similarly I'm just going to copy this here to here using Control C and paste it here using Control B, and this time I'm just want the type to be password, and even placeholder I want password, and the area label even I want here to be password. Okay, and there is button, but button outline success to type submit, and to this I want text in place of search. I want say login. Okay, now save the changes. Here we go, refresh it there. Yeah, it's working, it's beautiful. Okay, it's beautiful right now. Just button all line success. So in place of this outline success, I want this button to be success. Button success. I just want some different color scheme for this. So here we go, and maximize it. Yeah, it's beautiful, beautiful now. Okay, that is done over there. So in next, we just wanted to add some jumbo train to attract a user. So here we go to Bootstrap, and in the Bootstrap we have to use jumbotron. Let this is sufficient for us, and just copy this and copy it from here, and here we go, paste it after this nav. So div class jumbotron we have used over here. Then we have h1 class display for hello world. Then this something text over there written as, and then we have used some paragraph, then we have button and this. So how it looks in our page, save the changes, and here we go. Oh, beautiful, it looks beautiful. So I just wanted to apply some background to this. Okay, so I just wanted to apply some background to this. So for this I have to download some file for the background. Say I'm just uh, for downloading of app, you can use the website unsplash.com. That is having very beautiful website and free to download. You need not to pay anything for that. So these are the sites. From here we can select any of them that looks. I just want to have simple for myself. Okay, I think that will work for me. Just download it. Okay, this will go to the download here, and I want it to be. So before using this, just edit it using the snip pen sketch, that is on window. I'm using that to, and I'm just cropping this for my requirement. I just want only this layer here. So here it is sufficient for me. Crop it, save, and I will save it in my Bootstrap and with the name of, say, I'm just replacing this file bg. Okay, so I'm saving this. Yes, okay, not an issue. So here we have to put this on over. So what I will do, I will make an id here, say jumbo train. Then I will write some style for this here, say hash. Then here we will set the background image, say background image. Then we will use URL, and here we'll say bg.jpg. Save the changes, and here we see the refresh. Yeah, it is applied. Okay, so even I want this text to be centered. Okay, this I want this text to be displayed center, so I will add one more line to here, that text align center. Save the changes. Yeah, okay, sufficient for me, and I just wanted to change this text over here. So for this I will move here, and here I will write, say I have to write something about my app, so it look, so I will write here, make changes, that my I use some app. Okay, yeah, changed over here, my some app, and I'm just writing some text. Here we have used paragraph element, and the class is used here as the lead. Okay, so this I'm changing content for this. Here I'm write some small interactive information. Say I would like to hear uh, this says why you should download my, or this beautiful app. Okay, save the changes, refresh it. Here this is why you should download this beautiful app, and here I have to give some informative, so I'm just changing it. It use utility. Okay, so I have to put some extra line over here. Say we can want to know, okay, want to know more about it, want to know more about it. Then here is the question mark, then join our mailing list. Okay, join our mailing list. So in place of button, I just wanted to have some form over here to get registered for and get them registered using our mail. So how we can include that? Save this, refresh here, and in place of this button I want to have a form in which the user will input his email address and he will get a register for that. So how we can get that? We just go to Bootstrap and here we see the form. Okay, go to the form. Go down some more information. I am looking for some special form over here, like not exactly scroll down. I hope I will find that I'm looking for. Yeah, I'm looking for something like this. Yeah, line forms this. And I think this will sufficient for me. So I'm taking this, I'm copying this from here and putting it here, not here. Yes, we have to put it here. Yeah, save the changes and here we see how it look. So we don't want this here, we want this symbol and this, and we want this button to be as say register or sign up. Okay, so even don't we require this remember me, and even we don't require this button say done more. So I'm just removing this button from here. Even home is to tip class type. Even I don't require this. Okay, we have removed the wrong button. This button we need to remove it from here, and we don't want this to be here. Delete it here. Here we go, refresh this. Yeah, and even we don't want this to be here, so here I'm just going to remove. Okay, class and serve only for line form. username we just want to add here email. So even I don't want this in uppercase, delete it. Input group, then class div input group prepend, then this yes, and here input type text. In place of text here we want email, and class form control, and to this I will give the id as say email is the id for this, and here I would like to give the placeholder as email address. Your simple add over here, that is your email. Save the changes, and here we go, refresh it, and we want submit button here. Let's see how it look, but it doesn't taking any center here, so we have to put it in the jumbotron. We have to maximize it, and dip this. Let's indent it. Form inline, then we need to have a div class input group. And here in the last, after your email, then we just want this button to be sign up. Sign up, save the changes, and here we go, refresh it. So I just want to have a space over here, so better go with sign up here. Okay, so here in after this, here we see this, it looks something like this way. After I have done some modification to this, I have removed this toggling from here to avoid some messy over there. So here we see, then we just wanted to add here information to link about that is a small little bit information. So here in this we will go for another div. Here I will add div, and to this div I have to add the class say I want it to be our container or not container. Let's see without container. So div, here we wanted to add say class row, and here I wanted to use say h1, and anything that I want to know why this app is awesome. Then as that of here is, we will copy this from here. Let's see, copy it from here, and here we go put it. This is why you should download because it may change your daily life or put some positive impact to your lifestyle. Say something like this. Save the changes here, and here we go, refresh it. We see it over here, it looks like this way. It occupy the whole area. So I just want it to be something uh, different. I just wanted to be having its box layout. So what I do, I add one more div over here, div class container, and put it here. Save the changes, and here we go, appreciation. Yeah, it's beautiful right now. It's beautiful. And I want this to be center. Okay, even this text I want to be center. So what I do, I make a class of this. Say one, I'm just giving ID to this. Say ID to this. Say I'm giving ID to this as say about. ID equal to about. Okay, so here I write some code for this. Hash about, and I want text to be aligned center. So save the changes, and here we go. Fantastic. Okay, looking beautiful. Now after this I would like to insert some informative box over there. So I have seen one more feature over there in Bootstrap, that is card. So I just wanted to use that. So in order to use card, I'm just go to Bootstrap, and here I see the card, and this is one card over here, then this card with him, then this layout is there. Sizing of the card with the more card title. Using custom CSS here, text aligned is done with the card. Image cap is with card. Image overlay with card. This horizontal. Card and background color. Border with border. Yeah, this is card group is there, so I even like this. Even this looks good. Even so beautiful this is. Okay, I just go with this card deck. That looks beautiful for me. So here I select this card. Okay, I'm just going with this card. So copy this from here and go to the here at the last div, then paste it here, save the changes, and here we see, yeah, it is so wide over here, so I just wanted to put it in again the container. So I'll use one div over here, div class container, cut it from here and let's put it in this, save the changes, and it's here. Okay, I think it's beautiful. Now we have to put some image over here as we have not any image. So for image we just have to go to the unsplash.com and from here we can have some images over there. So I just want some beautiful images for this. Are you having the number of images that you can select for yourself? Say let it to be selected for this image for yourself. So this will image go to the download, and from download to I will copy this image and put it in the Bootstrap, paste it here and rename it, say deck. I have already saved an image with the deck, so I'm saving it with deck 1. Okay, so let's put the image over there. So how we can do this is simply have to go to this, and here we have to change container card, then source. Here we have to skip the source of the image, so we have to give its source is deck 1.jpg, and say we just can give the as say deck as the alternative to this. Similarly, copy this from here, Control C, and paste it here, Control B, and to the third deck. Okay, and to this I give Alt SC again, deck, and here again say deck. Save the changes here, and here we go, refresh it. Yeah, the image here looks too large. Yeah, so how we can do it by simple line we have to add over there. It's not big deal. We give over here we have to create a style for this. Let's make a style for this. Let's give a class to this. Add one class to this container. Okay, I'm just giving one class to this, say image card image top. I'm just giving class to this here, and to this I will write here card image top class, and then here I will write say width is equal to say 200 pixel. Save the changes here. Save the changes here. Here we go. Refresh, then see how it looks. So do one more thing over there. We just have to move this here. We just use image here as a deck. I'm just replacing the image with another image, otherwise we have to crop this and all this thing. So here we go, refresh this. Move this class from here, even it from here. Control S and save this changes. Okay, we have to crop the image, so let's crop the image first. Open it with snip and sketch. Here it is. Save the changes. If we crop the image, then it looks like this way. So again we have to make some changes to this. So what we'll do, we have added a class card image top with this. So if we expand this, this space is left over there. So what we need to do is we just width 200% take pixel. In place of this I will write width say 100%. Let's see the changes. Let's refresh, save the changes, and here we go, refresh it. Yeah, it's done over there. Okay, it's beautiful. Now it's look fine. So now we move next to this, and here in this case what we wanted to do, we just wanted to apply some this car title, and I just wanted to give some icon to this. Okay, so in order to use the icon we have to use some one more thing over there, that is we have to uh, find the font, use some icons that we have to make search for this. And then here is the site fontusm.com. Then go to get started. So we have to use CDN for this, and here we have to using CSS, we just have to copy this from here. Okay, or use CSS. Yeah, another way of using it is, yeah, here you can put your email address. Okay, here you can put your email address, and you will get that your email address the link of the this CSS file for including the user. So I have already done. I'm just going to copy this from my source to here. So here is the link to include the font user here. This is, so that you will get in the now we just have to find some icon over here. So for this we just have to click on the icon, and here is having number of icon. Yeah, so I just wanted to use some icon over here. Say I just want bullhorn, and here is the HTML code to include this. So I'll copy this from here, and I will move down to the card one, that is card title here is first, and I will paste it here. Save the changes, and here we see, yeah, this is added over here. Okay, then similarly we can add some more over there to the page. So find some other icons. Say I just want this bank icon, and here is the HTML code for using this. Copy from here, and this card number here, and paste it here. Save them. and similarly find some more icons, say automobile or balance scale I just wanted to say, and here is the code for this. Copy this code and paste. Guide number 3. Save the changes. Here we go and refresh it. Yeah, 3 icons are added over here. So this way you just need not to modify this text over there, leave it as it is, as we don't want it to be modified. But you have to see the, if you, here is a small little text, here is little larger text, but the size of the box are equal over here. So that's it there. Now we wanted to add one more thing over there, that link, one more link to this. So how we can do that? I'm just adding a div to the last of this, say div, and to this div I'm giving the, now I'm just going to making the last point over there. So this I'm giving the id as say footer, or I'm simply not giving this id as footer, I'm just giving this id as say download. So here I will write something h2 download the app, and I will copy that is there in the first this paragraph. I just wanted to copy here, copy from here, and then I will paste it here. Save the changes, and here we see, refresh it. Yeah, this is there. Download the app, and this should, I just want this to be in center, and I want here some background color for this. So what I will do, I will go to style over there, and here for the id load, here I will write text align say center, and to this I am giving a background color. So background color to this, say I will select here line. Let's see how it looks. Save it. Here we go, change. Yeah, then I would, to this I would like to add some padding for this. Okay, this is very, I just want the space over there, then between this and this, so I would like to add some padding to this. So background color is this, say margin top around say 50 pixel. Say I have to give 2 padding to this, say padding top around 150 pixel, and to padding bottom say again 150 pixel. Save the changes. Here we go, fresh it. Yeah, it now looks beautiful. It now looks beautiful. Okay, now here I wanted to insert an image. So a link to app store. So for this I will write another code of line over here. The last here I use a paragraph, and within the paragraph I will use anchor element and link to itself, then close the anchor, and within this I wanted to make insert image, then source of the image. Let's specify the source, then I'm just giving ID to this image, say ID equal to footer image, footer img. I'm giving ID to this and close this, save the changes. Now I have to download a image so that I would like to insert here for the link to the App Store. So in this regard I have already downloaded a image with the name of App Store Bun. So I'm just going to put it here. So here in my case I have the ID App Store Bun.jpg. Okay, save changes and refresh it here how it looks. I think you just have to change, check the name of App Store. Go to its properties, it's PNG. Okay, so we have to give J instead of dot PNG. Save it, and here we go, refresh it. Yeah, so this is there, we just have put it over here. We just wanted to change, or you can download the PNG file that is having the transparent background over here. So oh yeah, we can change it App Store 1 how it looks like. Say save it, here we go, refresh it. Yeah, this looks beautiful. Okay, so this is done till now. Now in the last I just wanted to give some scrolls by effect to this. Okay, so how we can do this? So for this we have to do some changes over there, write some code to this. First of all, in order to use this I have to before proceeding this I just wanted to have some space over here. So if I select to this is having the ID about, so I'm writing some code to this about text line. I have put the center and I'm making some change in margin to this top around 50 pixel and margin bottom say 50 pixel. Save it, here we go, refresh it. Okay, then I will add some padding to this, so 50 pixel, and then save here, and here we go. Refresh this. Yeah, now it looks beautiful. Now we have to add the scroll by feature. So in this case, we have to make the body element to act as a relative. We have to set its position relative. So for there, we have to write body, and we have to use position. Say relative. Save the changes. Now in order to make it scrollable, we just have to give the ID. We have to add this line from here, that is data spy scroll, and data target never, and data offset we set around 150. This line we need to add for this, and rest is I think same as there. We have to make some changes there. To this I have to use the ID download, save here, and here we can refresh it. Now we are at home, so as we scroll down, here we are in the about section, and here we go down, then here is download the app. So scroll spy is working here. So this is how we can create a project or an web page or website using the Bootstrap so easily, and very less code we have to do for this. So that's all for now. See you in next topic in some another course. Till then, good day.